Natural water contains dissolved substances, mainly inorganic salts, originating from the geological layers through which the water has passed. Now, the inorganic salts are made up of cations and anions. So, some of the most common of these ions are calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium bicarbonates, sulfates, chlorides, nitrates, and fluorides. So, in the water, there are also man made contaminants as well. So, some of the contaminations are pesticides and insecticides, of which many have a large lifetime and are not biodegradable and may create health problems. Then we have pharmaceutical residuals, a wide variety of heavy metals, various hydrocarbons, mainly from petrol, domestic fuel, and engine oil leakages. Then we have phosphates, which is not toxic but creates undesirable effects on the environment. And in the last, we have leakages from old garbage dumping sites.